Hi guys, you know what? Today my whole house was full of biryani aroma, and even my neighbor knew that what's cooking. Today I cooked amazing, yummy, delicious, and mouth melting mutton biryani with only one spice. Trust me, guys, I did not add much of masalas to it. It's just one secret ingredient which you will come to know in this recipe. Please watch the whole video to know the secret of this amazing, delicious recipe. And let's begin. So, for any biryani, the most important thing is the rice. Here I am taking Dawat's basmati rice. Take 2 cups of basmati rice and soak them for 10 to 15 minutes. After that, take 2 cups of yogurt and then add 1 pack of Shan's Bombay Special Biryani Masala. This is really good. It has everything. You don't need to add anything from outside. Just add 1 pack of biryani masala to your marination and then add 750 grams of mutton to it. Mix the whole thing well and keep it aside for some time. After that, we will keep our rice to parboil by adding some salt and all the whole spices like cumin seeds, cloves, your black peppers, and your elaichi, and with some oil. Let it boil for like 10 minutes and then strain the whole rice. After we strain our rice, we will start cooking our mutton. We'll start with chopping some onions, your green chili and mint leaves. Now take a pan, add some oil and sliced onions, mint leaves, let it cook for some time. Also add some ginger garlic paste. Once the onions turn golden brown, add the basic spices like coriander powder, chili powder, and some salt with some turmeric powder and give it a nice mix. After all the spices are cooked well, add your marinated mutton and let it cook until it loses its oil. Cook the mutton for at least 30 minutes and keep stirring in between. Once you see that mutton is partially cooked and oil starts to separate, start by layering of rice which is partially cooked. And for garnishing, add some chopped coriander leaves and mint leaves. After garnishing the biryani, don't forget to add the water. It's recommended that you add the water which we stored while boiling the rice, since it has all the flavors of spices. For more garnishing, add some oranges and sprinkle some biryani powder on top of it. Now cover the lid and let it cook on very low heat for 2 to 3 hours until the whole house is filled with the aroma of beautiful biryani, and then enjoy. Thank you.